Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Dollar Tree Organizing. In today's video, we're gonna tackle some of Dollar Tree's new items to tidy up and organize some stuff in our home. And I'm gonna also show you some of their new items just to show you what they have out new. But starting off, we are in their little tool section where you can find their hardware, their tools and stuff like that. And in that section, you're going to see their hardware storage box. This is a great box, you guys, to store a lot of different things. And of course, you can store your tools in here like nails and different drill bits, stuff like that. That would be really nice in here as well. But I'm gonna use it to store my daughter's hair accessories because she has a ton, and I'm pretty sure if you have kids or even for your own hair supplies, this is a good little box to have. You have a nice little compartment for each thing, and it just looks so nice in here. And it also has the lid so you can easily close it. And what better thing about this box is that you can easily just throw it in a bag or in a suitcase whenever you are traveling and you need to quickly pack your hair stuff. It's already in this box, so I really love this box for this. I think it's super convenient and nice to have your hair stuff in. Of course, you can pick up multiple to store even more of your hair stuff, but another little thing that you can use for your hair stuff is this bag from Dollar Tree. These bags are super cute and they have three different colors: black, teal, and a pinkish color. It's not super teal, but it's like a baby blue, and I love that it has a little zipper pocket on the inside, and this bag has so much space. Now this is some of my daughter's others hair accessories. That's how much she literally has, because I just love doing her hair and putting bows and different scrunchies and stuff like that. And you can see I just threw it in this plastic bag when we moved so just to throw it in there fairly quickly. But I want to transfer them to this bag from Dollar Tree because it is a nice bag to just hold all of her hair bows, scrunchies, and everything like that. And then I'm gonna also just place her hair clips inside of the pocket, which is really nice and convenient. And I just love how spacious this bag is. You can easily hang it so you can store it away and grab it whenever you need, which is awesome. Moving along, we're going to go into Dollar Tree's candle section. They have out some new designed little drawers. I'm pretty sure you have seen these before. They always have these out, but they always put out different designs. And this time I couldn't help but to pick up these ones because I really love these, and the pink ones are really pretty as well. So I picked up two of them because I thought they would be really nice little storage in the bathroom to place down just like miscellaneous items. Those are some sinus washes. You can place down your personal items, even some like the little match boxes for whenever you light candles. They fit in here perfectly because I know sometimes these can be hard to store and find a place to just keep them organized, but these little drawers are perfect for that, and I love them. And you can place down some little sticky things in between each set of drawers so that way they don't move around too much when you stack them, or even hot glue them, whatever you want to do, so they won't move around too much. But I really love them, and they are super sleek, goes with any decor. And you can see here I'm gonna just light a little candle. You can place a candle on top, or even like a nice little succulent on the top there for this little drawer set, and I really love it. If you love little hobbies and little things to do that are super cute, then I have just the thing that you're gonna want to check out. This is the Mrs. Hunt's Bakery by Cupid. Thank you so much for partnering with me for today's video. My daughter put this together all by herself. This is it's sort of like a pop-up book that is 3D. It is super cute. Here is their website. They have a ton to choose from as well, and the cutest thing of it all is that it actually lights up and it looks super nice, and I am in love with how it came out and how it looks. I just love it as a display. When it's all put together, it just looks really nice. They also have ones that you can use as a bookend and stuff like that. It looks really awesome, and this is super unique, my friend. If you are wanting to look for, you want a unique gift to give to someone that maybe has a birthday or whatever the case may be coming up, or if you want it for yourself, this is super awesome. It keeps you entertained, and it keeps your mind busy putting it together. You can take your time day by day putting it together, and when it's all done, the result is awesome and amazing, and I absolutely love it, love it, love it. I honestly, my friend, couldn't recommend it more. I just love this piece, and I know that you will too. And the most amazing thing, like I said, is the lighting, but they thought of every single little piece, my friend. On the top of this entire little book DIY, there is a little croissant on the left on top on the roof, and you just press that with your finger lightly and it turns on the light, and you can press it again to turn it off, and that is amazing, super detailed, and I love it. So you're gonna have to check them out. You are gonna get a discount using my code. All of that information will be in the description box as always, but do go check them out because you're gonna love this piece, my friend. I am sure of it because it is super unique. You guys know I love to show you their new socks because they always come out with super cute socks, and being that this movie is coming out soon, they do have those new socks there, and they also have Beetlejuice socks, which are so cute. This is a little late to the trend, but it's still super cute and I love it. One of my favorite movies, Beetlejuice, so those are super cute to find. They always have a ton of new cute socks that are themed, so if you want to get them as gifts or anything like that, this is the perfect spot to come because I'm sure you'll find something that you'll like. But I just wanted to show you guys what they have out right now, which is adorable. So for this little DIY organization, you can find in their kitchen section this sponge holder. This is the first time that I'm seeing this. I may have skipped it or missed it by accident before, but I wanted to get this for my mother-in-law's sink because she has been wanting one for her sponges for the sink, to not have them just laying around in the sink and looking ugly and stuff like that. And this little sponge holder has holes on the bottom, which is amazing because it can drip down whatever excess water is in the sponge, which will easily dry it out, which is awesome. And I just love how it looks here as well. I love that it looks really nice and simple, clean with the clear color, and it just fits really nicely, and you don't have to have that sponge just laying in there in the sink. You have its own little space, and I love it. So that's a nice little thing that you can pick up from Dollar Tree if you are wanting to organize some stuff in your sink area. Here is a new item that Dollar Tree put out. This is a plastic flower holder. This is super awesome, my friend. This has 6 different holes so you can place down different arrangements of flowers, and the top part does come off, so it's sort of like a little lid. So that is honestly really great and perfect because if you want to take it off to clean the inside of the box, if you place flowers down in here, you can definitely do so really easily. But I'm going to show you a few different ways that you can use this box other than arranging flowers. You can use this to arrange your plasticware if you are having a party, a get together, or anything like that. This is super perfect for that, and it looks nice as well. You can also use this to organize your hairbrushes. This is my favorite way to use it because you have 6 different holes for each hairbrush, and you can just place them down and have them nice and ready for you when you are doing your hair in your bathroom or in your bedroom. This is a really nice box to hold those instead of them just sitting on top of your dresser somewhere. This is really nice for that. So let me know if you have seen these and if you are going to pick these up because these are awesome for these things that I am showing you, and I hope you like them. And my friend, I hope you enjoyed today's video of me showing you some of Dollar Tree's new items and what you can do with them for organization. And I hope you had the most amazing Easter and blessed Easter with your family and friends. I am sending you much love. If you've made it this far into my video, thank you very much for sticking around to the very end. Comment down below in the comment section happy Easter, and I will know that you made it this far and you stood around to the very end with me, and that is much appreciated. So comment that down below. Thank you so much for all of your continued support, and consider hitting that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my videos and you can be a part of our lovely community. And I will see you all on my next video, my friend. Take care and God bless.